Coorg by Lokesh Abrol. In this chapter, the writer talks about the scenic beauty and culture of a town, Coorg. Coorg is the smallest district of Karnataka. It lies halfway between Mysore and Mangalore. It's a beautiful town. It has evergreen forests. About 30% of the area of Coorg is covered with the evergreen forests. Monsoons bring in a lot of rain here. Coorg is famous for its spices and coffee. The writer then tells about the best time to visit Coorg. Well, the best time to visit Coorg is between September and March, when the weather is perfect and the air is refreshing. The place has large coffee estates and many beautiful bungalows. He then talks about the people of Coorg. He says that the Coorgis are very independent people. The martial men are very strong and women are beautiful. There are two stories about the origin of these people. According to one story, a part of Alexander's soldiers did not return to their own country. They chose to settle down in India. Hence, they moved to the south and settled down in Coorg. Since the martial temper of these men, their body built, their strong build, their fighting spirit, and the practices and rituals followed by them during marriages and other ceremonies are quite different from those of Hindus, it shows that their origins are from the land of Alexander. So all their rituals, their practices, they do not match with Hindus, they match with the people of Greece and Macedonia, Alexander's country. So hence it is said that their origin is from Alexander's country. But there is a second story also. According to the second story about their origin, they are the descendants of Arabs. This theory is supported by the traditional dress of the people of Coorg. As you can see in the picture, they wear a long black coat tied with the embroidered waist belt called kupia. Now this kupia is quite similar to the kufia which is worn by the Arabs. So that's why some people say that they are the descendants of Arabs. He then talks about the nature of Coorgis. Coorgis are very hospitable people. They are very welcoming and they are also very brave. The Coorg regiment of Indian Army has the maximum decorations. Decorations means awards and medals. In fact, the first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was also a Coorgi. He was also from Coorg, Karnataka. Coorgis are the only people in India who are allowed to carry firearms, who are allowed to carry guns without a license. After that, the writer talks about the scenic beauty and the variety of flora and fauna found in Coorg. Flora means plant species and fauna means animal species. So Kaveri river flows through Coorg. The district is rich in variety of plant and animal species. A freshwater fish, mahasir, is found in the waters of Kaveri. A variety of butterflies, birds are also found. Kingfishers, squirrels, langurs, macaques, and wild elephants are likely to be seen here. Macaque is a breed of monkey. It's a type of monkey. Coorg is also famous for its water sports. River rafting, canoeing, and rappelling are popular water sports here. Apart from that, one can also enjoy adventure sports like rock climbing and mountain hiking here. When one reaches the top of Brahmgiri Hills, one sees the panoramic view, a beautiful view. Walking over the rope bridge takes one to the 64-acre island of Nisargdham. So this island is very beautiful and famous. Many tourists go there. The largest Buddhist Tibetan settlement is also in Kurg. Many monks live there, and the tourists who go there, they often go and visit these monks.